Good day, students. Welcome to Mathgotserved.com. In this clip, we're going to be going over our geometry virtual text, focusing on how to name sides and vertices of angles. Don't forget, there are 4 practice problems at the end of this tutorial that I would like you to try out in order to demonstrate that you've mastered what we talked about. Alrighty, the instructions for the examples that we're going to be working on today are as follows. We're to name the vertex and the sides of the given angles. Okay, we're going to do 2 examples and we'll give you an opportunity to try out 4. So for the first one, let's consider the following angle IAG. So let's take a look at the sketch. So let's see, that is one side of the angle. Let's draw it again. That's one side, and that's another side of the angle. And this angle is A with the vertex, and you have I and then G. Okay, so let's go ahead and label the sides and the vertex of this angle right here. Okay, so let's start with the sides. In this particular case, our angle is formed by 2 rays intersecting at the same point, namely the vertex. Okay, so what are the sides? This ray right here is the first side. Okay, and then this ray right here is the second side. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and label it. So the sides are as follows. The first side is AI. This is how you write it in object notation, or you can say ray AI. Alright, so that directional arrow on top basically represents ray. Alrighty, and then the second side is ray AG. And then you say it as ray AG. Alright, so there goes the sides of this particular angle right here. How about the vertex? The vertex is basically the point of intersection of these 2 rays, ray AI and ray AG, which is A, okay? And then you just say this as point A. So that's basically how you name the sides and the vertex of angles. Let's take a look at another example. Alright, so for question number 2, let's consider angle KLM. Alright, so the instructions are the same. We're to identify the sides and the vertex. Let's start with the sides. Do you see the sides of angle KLM? Well, it's the 2 rays that intersect at a common point in the creation of the angle. Alright, so this ray right here, that's the first side, and then this ray right here, that is the second side. Okay, and then there goes your angle right there, or you can consider that to be the angle. Alright, so let's go ahead and write down what the sides are. So the first side is LM, ray LM. Okay, so the direction of the arrow tells you that you're starting from point L and going through point M for the ray. Alright, so we start from L and going through, oh, I meant to say LK. So let's do the first one is LK. LM is also a side, but let's do LK first. So that from L through K, that's your first side. If you want to say it, you say this is ray LK. Alrighty, and then the second side is ray LM that I wrote earlier. So you're starting from this vertex right here, and then you go through that point. And this is ray LM. That's how you say it. How about the vertex? Well, the vertex is the point of intersection of the 2 rays that create the angle, and they intersect at the vertex, which is the point P. Or, oh, sorry, not point P, point L. Where did that come from? Point L, okay? All right, and then if you want to say it, the way you say it is point L. Alrighty, so there goes the sides and the vertex of angle KLM. Now it's your turn to try out some practice problems. Alrighty, now it's your opportunity to do some practice. So I'd like you to pause the video presentation and try out these 4 examples. number 1 to 4. The instructions are the same. You are to name the sides and vertex. Name the sides and vertex of the given angles. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video presentation at this time. Try out these 4 examples. When you're done, click on the play button and we're going to reveal what the correct answers are for you. Alrighty, welcome back. Hopefully you had a chance to try out the problems. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the answers are. For number 1, the sides are SU, ray SU, and ray SD. And the vertex is point S. For number 2, the sides are ray PJ and ray PY, and the vertex is point P. For number 3, the sides are ray NI and ray NR, and the vertex is point N. For number 4, the sides are ray XM and ray XN. The vertex is point X. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, how well did you do in these 4 practice problems? Let us know what your score is out of 4 in the comment section below. And if there are any questions or clarifications that you would like us to make concerning these practice problems or what we did in the presentation, just let us know and we'll be more than glad to assist you. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this presentation. We really appreciate it. If you found the contents of this tutorial helpful in your studies of geometry, do give us a like or thumbs up. Your positive feedback is extremely valuable to us. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We upload videos to our page on a regular basis. And do not forget to visit our website at mathgotserved.com for tons of support resources in order to help you do an excellent job in your geometry courses. Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day.